In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email address from Gmail memory. When you use Gmail, it remembers email addresses you've typed before, even if you don't need them anymore. These can be old contacts, mistakes, or addresses you never plan to use again. Over time, that autocomplete list can get cluttered and confusing. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove those unwanted addresses so Gmail stops suggesting them when you compose a message. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once you're on your inbox, we're going to start by pretending to write a new email. Look for the Compose button, usually in the top left corner, and click it to open a new message window. In the To field of the new email, begin typing the email address you want to remove. You don't have to type the whole thing, just enough so that Gmail shows it as a suggestion in the drop-down list. When the unwanted address appears, hover your mouse over that suggestion. You should see a small X or a remove option appear to the right of the address. Now, click that X or remove button. This tells Gmail to forget that specific address from its autocomplete memory. Once you click it, the email address should disappear from the suggestion list. If you don't see the option right away, try moving your mouse slightly over the suggestion until it becomes visible. You don't need to send the email or save anything. Simply removing it from the list is enough. To confirm it worked, click out of the To field, then click back in and start typing the same email address again. If everything went correctly, Gmail should no longer suggest that unwanted contact. If it still appears, double-check that you removed the right one, especially if there are similar addresses. Keep in mind that Gmail can also store contacts in your Google Contacts. If an address keeps coming back, you may need to remove it from your contacts separately by going to the Google Contacts page and deleting it there. Also remember that you'll need to repeat this process for each address you want to clear. There isn't a single button that wipes them all at once. That's all there is to it. By cleaning up these suggestions, you make composing emails faster, clearer, and a lot less frustrating.